Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, we'll show you how to save a Canva presentation as a Google Slides file. First, open your Canva presentation and create any slide you'd like. Once you've completed your design, scroll down to explore other templates if needed. After finalizing your presentation, click the Share button at the top right corner of your screen. Then, select the three-dot menu and choose the Google Drive option. Now, select any file from your Google Drive, and change the file type to .pptx. Click Save, and wait for your presentation to be prepared in Google Slides. Once the conversion is complete, you can find your design in Google Drive. Simply click View in Google Drive to open your presentation. You can now customize the text, images, background, or any other elements in Google Slides. Your presentation is saved in .pptx format, but to save it in Google Slides format, go to the File menu and select Save as Google Slides. And that's it. Your Canva presentation is now saved as a Google Slides file. Thanks for watching.